Today you're going to learn how to make a 4-petal flower as well as a 6-petal flower. Hi, it is your balloon bestie Karen Sawyer, certified balloon artist and entertainer. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that you receive notification as soon as new tutorials are published. All right, let's get started. All right, so for the balloon flower, you're gonna go ahead and take your 260 balloon and you're gonna pump it all the way to the end, okay? Completely inflate it, and then you're gonna just burp it and let a little bit of air out, okay? And so that's to make it soft. Then you're gonna go ahead and take the end and you're gonna tie and make a circle, okay? Just like that. Then right where you tied it, if you put your thumb there, and you pull on the other side, that's going to give you the middle of the balloon. So we're going to go ahead and push that together and make a figure 8. I'm going to twist that section along with the section that you just tied, and we're going to just do a twist. Okay, so now you have the number 8. And then if you go ahead and take your finger where you just twisted and pull on the other end, it's going to find the middle of that section. And you're going to just make number 8 again. You're going to just put your hand this way and you're going to squeeze and twist, okay? And then repeat the same thing on the other side. And you're going to squeeze and twist the whole thing. And then you have a simple 4-petal flower, okay? Then you're going to take, and this is going to be the stem of your flower, and you're going to use a 260. And you're going to inflate it. Again, all the way. Okay? And then just let a little air out and burp it. Tie it off. Okay? And then we're going to come down and you can measure like your whole hand and the thumb. Come down this much. And then you're going to go ahead and make your S. Like you're making a classic sword, okay? And that's going to be the leaves of your flower. So you're going to simply pinch it and twist, okay? And then there's your leaves and your stem, okay? If you have a little bit of air left at the bottom, if you just depress a little, it will completely extend. Then you're going to take this portion where the nozzle is, and you're going to just pull it and tie it, twist it into the 4 petals. Okay? And there is a very easy flower. Okay? And the kids will love it. So, that's one way. Now let me show you another flower, and this one I particularly like because not only can you add it to the stem and the leaves, but if you are a decorator, you can go ahead and embellish your balloon decor with. If you're enjoying this tutorial, hit that like button. It does help my channel out a ton, and it is a super small free way to show your support. Thank you, and let's get back to the tutorial. Okay, so there's 2 ways you can do this 6-petal flower. I'm going to show you one way that's really easy. So go ahead and inflate your 260. Okay? You want this to be soft though, okay? And when I burp it, I'm just leaving a little tail because we're not going to make a lot of twists, but we're going to make some twists, okay? So go ahead and tie it off, but I want this balloon to be really soft. So all we're going to do is loops, and we're going to measure them by using our whole hand, okay? So I just simply fold twist. So fold it over, okay? Take this nozzle, and when I'm pulling, make sure that knot is gonna be behind. And then I'm gonna take and move this to the other side to lock it, okay? So that's your first loop. And that's all we're gonna do for this entire balloon, okay? And so we're just gonna do loops and twist. 2, 3, 4, 5. And if it gets super tight, you will only be able to get a 5 petals out of that, okay? Mine is soft, so I should be able to get 6. Okay, and I'm just bending this over. I'm twisting. And I'm going to pull it through. Okay. And then this rest part, this you're going to have to discard. So just pop the end. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull it through. I'm going to tie it off. Okay? Just like that. So then you just fix the loop. Okay? And then if you would like, you can add a little 5-inch balloon in the middle, and it'll give you the middle of the balloon. Okay, now let me show you another way. All right, so this is going to be a third way to make it. Okay, you're going to find one of these ways you like more than the others. I can tell you this is my least favorite. Okay, so you're going to inflate the balloon almost to its entirety. Okay, and then I want you to make sure this balloon is very soft. Okay, so push that air all the way to the end. I'm just grabbing it and pushing the air. Okay, then what I'm going to do is I'm going to stretch this balloon. I really want this balloon super soft. Okay, all right, so then after doing all that jazz, I'm going to go ahead and tie it into a circle. Okay, so you have a circle, and then to find the midpoint, you just take your thumb where you just tied it and you pull it, and immediately across you'll find the middle. So then you have 2 bubbles. Okay, now you're going to go ahead and you're going to split this into thirds. Okay, so before I commit and twist it, I just simply fold it first to make sure, see, that's not even. So I want to make sure I even it first. Okay, so that's about even. So now I'm going to commit. Okay, so this is going to be a twist. Okay, hold on. I think that one was a little too small. So let me make sure, once again, this is not my favorite, but I know a lot of twisters that they love doing it this way. So I'm going to twist this portion first. So that's twisted, and then this is twisted here. Okay? And now you have that. Just like that. Now you're going to take it, and you're going to put your thumbs in here, and you're going to push this together like you're clapping your hands, just like that, okay? And then you're going to grab the section that's twisted with your finger, your pointer finger and your thumb, and then you're going to twist. And then you have your 6-petal flower, okay? And then you can go ahead and put your 5-inch in the middle, or you can go ahead and inflate your 260, create your 2 petals, and take it and tie it into the center. And that is the third way. All right, thank you so much for watching. Be sure to hit that like button and consider subscribing so you receive notification as soon as I publish new videos. All right, happy twisting. Bye, y'all.